Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Study Maths with me. Question number 3 of exercise 1.1. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees centigrade on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. Dropped by means decreases. So temperature decreases by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. That means here 2 degrees centigrade is minus 2 degrees centigrade. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? Then find out the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees centigrade. Rose means increases. So on Wednesday, temperature increases by 4 degrees centigrade. You have to find out temperature on this day. This day means here Wednesday. What was the temperature on this day? We'll solve question number 3 now. Monday's temperature. It's already given. Minus 5 degree centigrade. Now you have to find out Tuesday's temperature. Tuesday's temperature is Tuesday temperature, it dropped by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. Dropped means here it is decreased, so minus. Monday's temperature minus 2 degree centigrade. Monday's temperature is minus 5 degree centigrade minus 2 degree centigrade. Here both are negative integers, so add the integers, it becomes 7 degree centigrade and the sign is minus. Now, second part of this question. What was the temperature on this day? That is on Wednesday. So, Wednesday's temperature. Wednesday's temperature is Tuesday's temperature plus 4 degree centigrade, because in the question they said it's rose by 4 degree centigrade. Rose means increases. Increases means plus sign. So Tuesday's temperature is minus 7 degree centigrade plus 4 degree centigrade. Here one is negative, another one is positive. So subtract, you will get 3 degree centigrade, bigger number sign minus. Now question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? We'll solve question number 4 now. Here, a plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. It is exactly above a submarine 1200 below the sea level. This is sea level. So this you can consider as a 0. In the number line you can consider this as a 0. What are the values are there above this 0? You can consider it as positive. And below this 0 is considered as negative. So here 5000 is positive value, 1200 is negative value. Now write down height of the plane. This is 5000 meter. Depth of the submarine minus 1200 meter. Now distance between them. How to find out the distance between them? Yes, you can subtract 5000 minus of 1200. So 5000 minus negative 1200. What happens here? Minus becomes plus. 5000 plus 1200, which is equal to 6200. Question number 5. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Here, what is the meaning of deposit and withdrawal? Deposit means keeping money in the bank. Withdrawal is taking money from the bank. So, if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, if money is taken out from the bank is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? How keeping money in the bank, how you are going to represent? Okay, obviously it is positive. Okay, and then find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Balance, how to find out? Just subtract the two integers. Okay, how you can write it? Okay, start writing. Amount deposited will be represented by positive integer. Positive integer. Now, amount deposited is equal to rupees 2000. Amount withdrawn rupees minus 1642. Now find the balance. 2000 minus 1642, that's equal to 368. Here sign is positive because bigger number sign is plus here. Now sixth question. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards the west along the same route. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? I'll solve sixth question now. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to point B. Then she comes back 30 km towards west. If the distance towards east is represented by plus sign, then distance towards west is represented by minus sign. Exactly opposite. If the distance towards east is represented by a plus sign, then distance towards west is represented by minus sign or negative sign. Okay, write down distance traveled towards west is represented by a negative sign. Rita goes 20 km towards east from A to B. From B, she comes back towards west 30 km. So her final position is somewhere here. This is final position. Now how to calculate final position? Final position is equal to distance traveled towards east plus distance traveled towards west. Distance traveled towards east is how much? Plus 20. Plus towards west is minus 30. So here this becomes 20 minus 30. That's equal to minus 10 kilometer.